Hey, my name's Garrett Wilson. I am here at the Iron Horse Saloon right now with my 2001 KTM Duke, taking part in the garage build-off by Kirk. I brought this up from Windsor, Colorado to show it off here a little bit. This bike, as you know, starts as a big, ugly, plastic, dumpy looking bike from KTM. I stripped it all down, built a new rear subframe, put on all new bodywork, flat track suspension front and rear, and 19-inch wheels to match. So it is a big 640 single cylinder thumper. It's a blast to ride and rip around town. So the hardest part of this build was just getting all of these other pieces that didn't come on the bike to match up, flow together nicely. The tank is from a 78 Honda. There's a bunch of dents to push out, some rust to fix in there. My favorite part is just that it's so easy to ride, super smooth, and it's a hooligan. Right now, my day job is actually taking care of my kids. Get them to school in the morning, gives me time to work on the bike in the garage during the day, and then pick them up for sports and activities in the afternoon. So blessed to be able to do that right now, and yeah, enjoy building bikes. Gonna pump out a few more of them. Just want to say thanks to Kirk for putting this show on. It's great to be a part of all these this build here. Tons of bikes showed up for this. It looks like it's going to be a good day.